So in question 1, we've been asked to write out 500 as a product of powers of its prime factors. The first thing to do is to break it into its prime factors. Now this I may do in a slightly different way from you, but I find this method more intuitive. You write 500 on the first line, and if it's even, you write a 2 on the left of the line. 2 into 500 goes 250 times. This again is even. 2 into 250 goes 125 times. 2 won't go in, nor will 3, 5 will, leaving 25. This is also divisible by 5, which then gets us down to there. So I can say that 500 is equal to the multiplication of all of these. So this is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 5. Please don't leave it there. They want the product of powers of its prime factors. So these first 2 terms can be rewritten in power form as 2 squared multiplied by 5 times 5 times 5, which is 5 cubed. And that should be your answer.